Finance is the lifeblood of every enterprise. From strategy and operations to sales and marketing, every decision a founder makes revolves around the allocation of limited resources. But as of January 1st, 2026, the game has changed. In the new Nigeria, business planning, financial modeling, and valuation analysis are no longer just skills. They are the undercurrents of survival. The new Nigerian tax policy now demands heightened internal financial controls. It requires SMEs and corporate leaders to align their reporting with strict accounting standards or face the risk of a digital audit by the NRS. This is why APNET Consult Limited is opening its vault. Over the course of 4 weeks, our expert team of business strategists, professional financial modelers, and certified tax professionals will take you from novice to a high-level expert. We have helped businesses raise over 12 billion naira, and now we are handing that blueprint to you. Whether you are a CEO who needs to drive productivity, an accountant who needs to keep your organization's tax history clean, or a graduate looking to become 2026 compliant, this is your transformation. In 28 days, you will master the 4 pillars of the new economy. First, business planning. You will learn to write bankable plans that actually get approved by banks and investors under the new regulatory framework. Second, financial modeling. You will build professional Excel models from scratch, transforming raw data into a strategic roadmap for growth. Third, investment analysis and valuation. You will build valuation schedules and DCF models, proving your business's worth in a digital-first Nigeria. And fourth, corporate accounting and compliance. You will develop the internal controls and management accounting skills that keep your business efficient, profitable, and completely safe from tax penalties. You don't need to be an Excel expert to start. You just need the drive to lead. But you must act now. The first round of NRS digital audits begins in April. Our March cohort, running from March 1st to 30th, is the final window to get your records and your skills in order before the audit season hits. Enroll now in the APNET Consult Masterclass for 120,000 naira, or start with a flexible payment of 40,000 naira. Join over 1,200 professionals who have already secured their future. Click the link, register today, and move from being a novice to becoming the finance professional that the new Nigeria is looking for. APNET Consult Limited. Business planning, financial modeling, investment analysis, corporate accounting. Visit www.apnetconsult.com or message us on WhatsApp at 090-961-254747. Don't just run a business, master the lifeblood of your success.